Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word wassail. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is wassail or wassail, depending on the region. Let's break it down. First, we have wa, which sounds like wa in wander. Next is sul, which rhymes with hustle, or sail, which rhymes with pale. Both pronunciations are widely accepted. Now let's put it all together. Wassail. Try repeating after me, wassail. Now a little faster, wassail. And at full speed, wassail. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Wassail historically refers to a festive toast or a spiced alcoholic drink enjoyed during celebrations, especially around Christmas. It can also mean the act of carousing or singing traditional songs while drinking. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce wassail and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.